Hello wonderful learners, welcome back to Literary Rights. I am Swaranjali. Let me ask you something. Imagine I wrote this. Went to Riya's school and Riya forgot Riya's bag. So Riya had to go to Riya's house. Does that sound strange? Of course it does. Now listen to this. Riya went to her school and she forgot her bag. So she had to go back to her house. Much better, right? That one change, replacing Riya's name with she and her, that's exactly what a pronoun does. Today we are going to understand what pronouns are, why we use them, and the different types that you will use every single day. Once you get this, your English will immediately sound more natural and fluent. Let's jump in. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition and make our language flow smoothly. That's it. That's the simple definition. Pro means for or in place of. Noun you already know. So pronoun literally means in the place of noun. Think of pronouns as substitutes. Like in cricket, when a player can't continue, a substitute comes in. A pronoun is the substitute that steps in when repeating of nouns becomes awkward and unnecessary. The noun that a pronoun replaces is called the antecedent. That's just a fancy word for the original noun. Examples are, Rahul is my classmate. He is very good at maths. Here, Rahul is the antecedent. He is the pronoun that replaces it. Simple, right? Now pronouns come in several types. Today I'll introduce all of them, and in the next few videos, Dr. Madhuri and I will go deep into each one. Type number 1. Personal pronouns. These refer to specific people or things. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are your personal pronouns. I am learning English. She loves reading. They are my friends. Personal pronouns change depending on whether they are the subject or the object of the sentence. And Dr. Madhuri will explain that beautifully in the next video. Type number 2. Possessive pronouns. These show ownership or belonging. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. This book is mine. That pen is hers. The house is theirs. Notice, possessive pronouns stand alone. They replace the noun completely. This book is mine. I don't need to say my book again. Type number 3. Reflexive pronoun. These refer to the subject of the sentence. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, themselves. I made this myself. She hurt herself. They prepared themselves for the exam. The action comes back to the person doing it. That's the reflexive idea. Type number 4. Relative pronouns. These connect clauses and give more information about a noun. Who, whom, whose, which, that. The girl who won the prize is my friend. This is the book that changed my life. See how who and that connected extra information to the main sentence? Type number 5. Demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific things. This, that, these, those. This is my favorite song. Those are the beautiful flowers. They demonstrate. They point directly at something. Type number 6. Interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions. Who, whom, whose, which, what. Who is at the door? What is your name? Which do you prefer? Type number 7. Indefinite pronouns. These refer to non-specific people or things. Someone, anyone, everybody, nobody, something, everything, each, all, few, many, none. Everyone is welcomed here. Nobody told me about this. Something is wrong. Now let me show you 3 mistakes students commonly make with pronouns. Mistake number 1. Unclear antecedent. The wrong sentence is, Priya told Neha that she failed the exam. Wait, who failed? Priya or Neha? We don't know. The pronoun she is confusing because it could refer to either person. The correct sentence is, Priya told Neha that Priya herself failed in the exam. Or reconstruct the sentence entirely for clarity. Always make sure your pronoun clearly points to one noun only. Mistake number 2. wrong pronoun case. The wrong sentence is me and my friend went to the market. The correct one is my friend and I went to the market. Quick trick, remove my friend and read it alone. Would you say me went to the market? No. You'd say I went to the market. So it's my friend and I. Mistake number 3. Using they without a clear reference. The wrong sentence is they say it will rain tomorrow. Who is they? In casual speech, this is fine. But in written or formal English, always be specific about who they refers to. Let's practice. Replace the repeated noun with the correct pronoun. Question number 1. Amit is my brother. Amit is very tall. Pause. The answer is Amit is my brother. He is very tall. He replaces Amit. Question number 2. The bag is on the table. The bag belongs to Neha. Pause. The answer is the bag is on the table. It belongs to Neha. It replaces the bag. Question number 3. My parents work hard. My parents deserve all the happiness. Pause. The answer is my parents work hard. They deserve all the happiness. They replaces my parent. Excellent work today. You have understood what pronouns are, why we use them, and the 7 types that make English flow naturally and clearly. In the next video, Dr. Madhuri will teach you personal pronouns, subjects and object forms. You'll learn the difference between I and me, he and him, they and them, and why getting this right matters in both speaking and writing. Subscribe to Literary Rights and let's build your grammar confidence together. Nothing difficult, nothing missing, just clear, complete learning. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.